Ngibingelele kumbukeli emakhaya unoma wakwaduma lo ehamba neMashelela TV. Namhlanje sise Durban ICC lapho khona kunombukiso wezamabhizinisi. So namhlanje sithe ake sizobona ukuthi ngabe yini le eyenzakala la namhlanje Durban ICC. So ngihamba nentokazi la enhle isiphalaphala unoxolo Sichinga ongumnikazi wePurple Pot Designs. Siyakumukela sisinoxolo kuMashelela TV.
Siyabonga nathi ukuthi sibe kule TV eMashelela. Yes siswami.
Okay, siyabona lana imbukiso miningi. So awuchazele nje umbukeli wami ekhaya nje ofuna ukwazi ukuthi ngabe kwenzakalani lana, why ulana, kwenzakalani nje.
Okay. Apha ICC namhlanje kukhona i-Trade Investment Conference, which is ingumhlangano wosomabhizinisi afana nami abathuthukayo nasebethuthukile abahlanganiswe i-Trade Industry Department. Apho ke ngokufuneka sibonise ngazo zonke izinto zethu esizithengisayo, njengoba mina ndiyi-fashion designer bandiphe istall uba mandikwazi bandibeke izinto zami bazawuzisa ke ngokosomabhizinisi from zonke indawo around iDurban. Apho bazokwazi ukuzobona izinto, bayakwazi uthenga, bayakwazi uthengela ikhampani zabo into yoba masikwazi uba sizithungele sizisupply ngezinto zethu ezikhoyo.
Okay, so ufike kanjani? How did you apply for ukuthi ube nesitolo nawe la kule exhibition?
Okay, kule exhibition mna ndahamba ndayo approacha uTIC, which is Trade and Investment Department ka government eyalapha eDurban. Yes, and then ke ngokuphayana there are people abakwazi usi assista kwizinto zohambisa izinto phesheya nophinde sizibuyise apha eSouth Africa sithengise njengoba silapha eSouth Africa ngoku. Le department iyakwazi nosihambisa koma China, koma Hong Kong, koma Tokyo. Apho sifike senze lento iyi-1 kuthiwa yi-exhibition ke ngoku. Apho sikwazi uba masithengise ikhono lethu esilibonisayo kwemashishini kwezinye indawo. Kodwa ke sifike ngoTIC, kuthiwa ngoTIC KZN, Trade and Investment KZN. Sifike ngaye apha ngabo ke abenze yonke lento ukuba mayibe impumelelo namhlanje kuqhubekeke kwenzeka kanje.
Okay, so ngiyabona lana kunengubo imkhangiso nje kuhle. So konke lokhu kwenziwe wena lokho.
Sithi aba ePurple Pot Designs senza izinto zomama.
Okay.
Apho kubona ba ikimono.
Okay.
Nelokho yakhona lelokho lena siyenzela into yoba uyakwazi uba mawuyena kweyiphi occasion ngayo. If ukhona umtshado masitsho uyakwazi uzinxibela ngalendlela. If kukhona conference njengalena usisithethi uyakwazi uyinxiba. uPurple Pot na ugxilisa kakhulu kwizinto that are all occasions. You can wear it in any occasion. Yes, if you want to go to the beach you can actually walk ngayo uhambe ngayo beach. So we make sure that you have one outfit for many occasions. Yes.
So uqale nini ukudesigner noma vele into ukhule uyithanda or nje something that just happened along the way wazithola nje usudesigner?
Nama mna ndikhule nayo. I think ukukhula kwami sithanda udlala ngonopopi.
Okay.
Nesibathungele ngeplastiki sibenzele. Wabona utata wami uyayithanda intombi yami le enetalent. Wandithatha ke wandisa eTUT, which is now iTshwane University of Technology. That is where ke ngonke ndahamba ndiyogqamisa esisakhono sam khona. Ndabuya ke ngoku I think 2016 kulapho ndiqale khona ibusiness yam. Ndimane ndithungela nje abantu abaziwayo around, abantu abafuna ukuya kwi-occasions nakanjani na. Then ndafumana ii-programs ke ndihamba ndiyakhula kulapho ke sidibene khona ke no-Trade Investment KZN. Apho babonilwa izinhle into zale ntombazana masimthathe simhambise kwindawo ngeendawo kwenzele zibone njengangoku sithetha nje ndiye supply eHong Kong into zami. Yes.
Hayi ke usawuhambe kakhulu kuba sisowuwelela nezilwandle.
Masiwele kaloku this is a beautiful craft.
Siyabona nala.
Uyabona ezona nto abazithanda kakhulu. Uyabona lena.
Yes. So le ivela kuphi le ndwangu le?
Le ndwangu ivela kwaDagama eEastern Cape.
Okay.
Bangenzele mina ngathatha nje uyabona masishweshwe esi and then usebenzise all inspiration from Xhosa, Zulu, from Sotho. Mina I mix all of that, which is something to gift a person with. Uyabona, this is a pillowcase. Yes,
okay.
it's a pillowcase. Yes.
Oh, okay.
So we also bead ke ngoku pillowcases zethu. We give a touch of African since bengisisho ukuthi we take it to go Hong Kong. We want to give them a taste of Africa. Yes. So this is one of the best selling products zethu ke because of the fact that it's got an element of Africa and beading. Yes. And then we also have it ama-iqiya sithi ziduk ke thina ke yabo. Yes, which is also great for gifting to someone. Siyazenza ke zezi sinesixhosa sesintu sinala element yesixhosa nesintu. Then we also make these clothes that you see at the back here, which is it's our niche. Ingayibeka ngalondlela bese yona into siyithengisayo kakhulu i-accessories ziyakhapha to show that we are diverse. We are not just only focusing on making dresses like this, but we are also diverse.
Okay, so if umuntu efuna uku-order something from your collection wenza kanjani vele utholakala kanjani?
Okay, siyafumaneka izinto zethu kwi-shop yaka-Sunkist e-airport.
Oh, okay.
That is Durban, that is East London, and that is PE. We also siyafumaneka kwi-phone 073 78 42 45 8 for custom make ke ngoku. Otherwise if ufake i-order lapho kodwa xa ufunayo into that is already made, you can get it from the Sunkist shop ese-airport esengizibalile.
Manje siyazi ukuthi phela izinto ezise-airport phela
hayi thina siyazama ukuthi abantu bethu bazi-afford. No, siyakhuluma thina nalo simsupplyayo.
Alright.
For instance, if sithengisa le nto nge-300 sicela ukuthi noko abantu bakwazi bafikelele bayithengise noba nge-400 or bayithengise nge-300 bangaze bafake 200% noko, so that people can actually be able to have anything from Pepper Pot Designs.
Okay, so nje sengivala ngicela nje ukuthi u-advise nje umlaleli osekhaya, umbukeli osekhaya othandayo mhlambe nayo nekhono lokuthi uyakuthunga wenzani ukuthi yini mhlambe into angayenza ukuze aphushe lelo khono lakhe ukuthi lize lifinyelele ezingeni la usokhona njengamanje.
Okay, ngiyawubonga ke lo mbuzo. Abantwana or somebody othandayo ukuthunga.
Yes.
Hamba uyofunda into ekuthiwa yi-fashion design.
Okay.
Or clothing manufacturing.
Alright.
There's a diversity, not just only this. You can be able to make clothes for iskolo.
Yeah.
You can be able to make clothes for factories and companies. There's so many, even abantwana yakwazi ubenzela ininzi into under i-fashion. You can never ever be hungry with fashion. Kodwa ndiya encourage into ba umuntu because inika i-craft yakho i-polished end product. Yes. And now you get to see outside ngoba abantu baqhuba njani exposure to the outside world with isikolo and outside world, and then ungagive up because akho lula ukuba lapha. It's been so many years nami ndikuyo, but azange give up because ndiyayithanda lento ndenzayo and always seek ukubona izinto inspiration entsha ungasoloko ugxila kwinto eyi-one.
Yeah. So uke wathola mhlawumbe uxhaso from government or laba amanye companies that work hand in hand with governments to fund small and upcoming businesses?
Yes, actually uSIDA, Small Development Enterprise. Yes. uSIDA uncede kakhulu even no TKZN